There was just one more restaurant we went to when we were down in Texas, down near Austin, and that was the Waffle House. And what trip down to South is complete without going to the Waffle House? They are dingy, they are dirty, they are wonderful. They make one of the best waffles you can have anywhere. I don't care what anybody says, they're creamy, they're delicious, they're just crispy on the outside and creamy on the inside. There's a reason that there are so many successful Waffle Houses. A, it's because they're open 24 hours a day and you can get food there 24 hours a day. So that's very popular with truckers and all-night drivers and drunks and teenage pot smokers. But also, it's just good food. It's just good home cooking. There are 24-hour restaurants. They never get clean. There's just something special about Waffle Houses down south. And if you're ever down south, I would recommend you go to a Waffle House. I have never, ever eaten a bad meal in a Waffle House. And those short order cooks in a Waffle House, they are talented folks. They cook with no tickets. Servers are just yelling orders back to them. They are extremely fine cooks, and I give them all credit due. So when you're in the South, go to a Waffle House. And that is it for the Waffle House down by Austin, Texas, and anywhere in the South, really. A Waffle House is a Waffle House. So always when in the South, go see a Waffle House. You got to experience a Waffle House. And until next time, be grateful in all the things that you do. Thanks a lot, folks.